The life cycle of cricket, from egg to adult crickets, are fascinating insects that play a vital role in ecosystems as decomposers, prey for other animals, and even as pets or food sources for humans. Their life cycle consists of three main stages: egg, nymph, and adult. This process, known as incomplete metamorphosis, differs from insects like butterflies, which undergo complete metamorphosis: egg, larva, pupa, adult. In this article, we will explore the unique aspects of a cricket's life cycle, including their development, behavior, and environmental adaptations. 1. The egg stage. The beginning of life. The life of a cricket begins as an egg. Female crickets lay their eggs in moist soil, rotting wood, or plant material to protect them from predators and harsh weather conditions. Egg-laying process. Oviposition. Female crickets use a specialized organ called an ovipositor to deposit eggs underground or within soft substrates. Depending on the species, a female can lay 50 to 200 eggs at a time, with some laying up to 2,000 eggs in their lifetime. Eggs are tiny, about 1–2 long, and often white or translucent. Incubation period. The time it takes for cricket eggs to hatch depends on temperature and humidity. In warm conditions around 86°F or 30°C, eggs may hatch in 8–12 days. In cooler environments, incubation can take up to 3 months. Once hatched, the young crickets, called nymphs, emerge and begin their growth journey. 2. The nymph stage. Growth and molting. Unlike insects that undergo complete metamorphosis like butterflies, crickets skip the pupal stage. Instead, nymphs resemble miniature versions of adult crickets, but lack wings and reproductive organs. Characteristics of nymphs. Nymphs are small, wingless, and pale in color. They undergo a series of molts, shedding their exoskeleton to grow larger. Most crickets go through 8–10 instars before reaching adulthood. Molting process. Softening the exoskeleton. The nymph absorbs water and expands its body, causing the old exoskeleton to crack. Emerging from the old shell, the nymph wriggles out, leaving behind the discarded exoskeleton. Hardening the new exoskeleton. The new shell is soft at first, but hardens within hours. Challenges during the nymph stage. Predators. Nymphs are vulnerable to spiders, ants, birds, and reptiles. Cannibalism. In crowded conditions, older crickets may eat younger nymphs. Environmental stress. Extreme temperatures or lack of food can stunt growth. After completing their final molt, nymphs develop wings and reproductive organs, marking their transition into adulthood. 3. The adult stage. Reproduction and survival. Adult crickets are fully developed and capable of reproduction. Their primary goals are mating, laying eggs, and surviving long enough to ensure the next generation. Physical features of adult crickets. Wings. Forewings tegmen are hardened, while hind wings, if present, are used for flying. Antennae. Long and sensitive for detecting vibrations and smells. Ovipositor females. A needle-like structure for laying eggs. Cerci. Two tail-like appendages used for sensing the environment. Behavior and communication. One of the most distinctive traits of crickets is their chirping, produced by males to attract females. How do crickets chirp? Male crickets rub their forewings together in a process called stridulation. The scraper one wing moves against the file other wing, creating sound. Chirping increases in warm weather because their metabolism speeds up. Mating rituals. Males chirp to attract females. Females choose mates based on chirp loudness and frequency. After mating, females lay eggs, restarting the life cycle. Lifespan of adult crickets. Most crickets live 6–10 weeks as adults. Some species like field crickets survive longer in cooler climates. Predators. Birds, reptiles, mammals, and environmental factors shorten their lifespan. Environmental adaptations of crickets. Crickets have evolved various survival strategies. Nocturnal behavior. Most crickets are active at night to avoid predators. Burrowing. Some species dig underground to escape extreme temperatures. Camouflage. Their brown or black coloration helps them blend into soil and leaves. Jumping ability. Powerful hind legs allow quick escapes from threats. Human interaction with crickets. Crickets have a unique relationship with humans. As pets, in some cultures, crickets are kept for their songs, for example, Chinese cricket fighting traditions. As food, high in protein, crickets are farmed for human and animal consumption. In science, used in research due to their simple nervous system and mating behaviors. Conclusion. The life cycle to chirping adults. Crickets undergo rapid growth and adaptation to survive. Their role in nature as decomposers, prey, and even human companions makes them one of the most interesting insects on Earth. Understanding their life cycle not only provides insight into insect biology, but also highlights the delicate balance of ecosystems where crickets thrive. Whether you hear them on a summer night or observe them in captivity, crickets continue to captivate us with their resilience and song.